everyone, Miss Ashley here, and today we are going to draw a slice of pumpkin pie. All right, let's get started. Let's start with the whipped cream on the top of our pie. So I'm going to start about in the middle of my paper, and we're going to make a line that curves around like this. And I'm going to leave this space open on the top. Okay, and for the next layer, we're going to make this layer a little bit smaller, so we're going to jump up here and do a curved line around there. And you see how this is a little bit smaller than this one? And we're going to do the same thing on this side. All right, and then to draw the top, I'm going to start right here and do a curved line up, and then from that tip I'm going to curve it back down like that. All right, perfect. Next, let's draw the top of our pie. I'm going to start right here at this second little bump and draw a straight line out. Notice how it kind of angles down. And then I'm going to draw a line across. And I made this line go past our whipped cream. Now I'm going to start here at the top, and this line's going to have a little curve to it. And we're going to connect to the bottom line. So that will be the top of our pie. Now let's draw the sides. I'm going to start here at the point and do a straight line down. And I'm going to do the same thing on this side. I'm going to do a straight line down, and I'm going to try to make it the same length as this one. Like that. And then I'm going to connect them. Perfect. All right. Now we're going to draw the crust of our pie. So start up here at the top by your whipped cream. And we are going to do little like U shapes all the way to the end. And then we're going to draw a straight line down. And notice how that line came down past where our pie is. I'm going to draw a little line down here, and we're going to connect it. Awesome. All right. Now let's work on our pie's face. And for the eyes, I just drew like their little upside down U shapes. And then I gave my eyes like some eyelashes. And their eyes are closed, so we can leave it just like that. Next, let's draw the mouth. And the mouth is going to be a straight line over and another U shape to connect it. And a curved line will make our tongue. And then I gave my pie like little rosy cheeks. So I drew a circle here. And let's draw a circle over here. And there we go. Our pumpkin pie looks super cute. Now let's color. Our pumpkin pie looks good enough to eat. All right, let's serve it up. Thanks for drawing with me. Have a great day.